I don't know how many of you guys have been to First Watch. I have only been a handful of times, but they have a kale tonic drink that has kale, cucumber, apple, and lemon, and it is so good. Kale tonic is so bomb. It's so good. It's sweet. I mean, it's good. You guys have to try it. The type of juicer that I have is the Oster brand, and I believe I purchased it from Target. You can do some research. Amazon sells them, Walmart. You can get them from almost anywhere now, Sam's Club. And what we have here, we have 3 Fuji apples, 1 large half of a cucumber, and we have 2 lemons cut in half. Now the lemons, I am going to be squeezing these in the citrus fruit juicer. I'm not going to juice these in the juicer just because it doesn't really extract all the juice from it like it does with the cucumber or the apple. So we're just gonna hand squeeze the lemon. That's no big deal. And then we'll pour that into our juice at the end. So since I have it on high, I'm gonna go ahead and put my cucumber in first. Recommended for the most juice extraction is to kind of alternate the really juicy veggies with like the more leafy type of veggies. So really I should be alternating between, and we're going to turn this down because actually for the leafy vegetables they recommend a low setting, but we're going to kind of alternate between the kale and apple. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm just going to hand squeeze this lemon here. You can, it's really personal preference. You can juice the lemon if you would like in your processor, but just be mindful. The peel is a little bitter. It makes your drink a little bitter, so. So this is what we have here of our juice, our lemon juice that is. So strain it through. And look at all that pulp that we don't have in our juice now. So what I'm going to do now is strain our green juice. See, as you can see, there's still a lot of pulp in there, or a good bit of pulp anyway, even after juicing. So we don't want that. Well, you can more than, I mean, again, all of this is personal preference. You're more than welcome to drink that in your juice. But if you want a pulp-free consistency, then yeah, you'll definitely want to strain it like I'm doing. Now, there are so many healthy nutrients that come with juicing. Different nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that you just don't get from buying store-bought juice that you might find on the shelf or in the refrigerated section. And with it being so beautiful outside in spring, I just feel like juicing is so appropriate this time of year. And juicing is appropriate any time of year, but particularly when it's nice outside, I like to just sip on a glass of fresh juice. We have here our at-home kale tonic, kale, lemon, cucumber, and apple. So actually, there's a really cool alternative for those of you who do not have a juicer or do not have the means to go out and purchase a juicer, or maybe a juicer is just not something that you want to add to your appliances that you have. You can actually get what they call a milk bag. And I ordered this from Amazon. Blend up all your kale and your apple and all your different fruits and veggies, and then you'll pour it into this bag, this strainer here. And then you want to pull the drawstring closed with your solution in it, and over a bowl or a container, you'll just proceed to squeeze, 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 and then your juice will come out and all your pulp and things will be left in this bag. And that's another cool little alternative to juicing without having to go out and buy the juicer. There's just nothing better to me than sitting at home and drinking a fresh juice. So yeah, give that a try. Whip out your juicer, try that recipe. Or if you don't have a juicer, like I said, go on Amazon and you can buy this nut milk bag. It's nice to have a couple of them handy. Like I said, just order one at least so you can try it out if that's something you're interested in. And yeah, it's so beautiful outside. So I'm gonna go and grab my juice, throw some ice in there.